We dropped it. Oh no, it's gonna melt on Ellie. Try. Oh. Are you not into this so much? Hi! Hi! Okay, it's snowing outside, huh? It is so cold. Tell me about it. Not so much, huh? Yeah, that's what I think about the snow too. Just wish it would go away. You're so pretty.